I'm Annie and I'm from Weeby Kids. Weeby Kids provides free nature resources online to help you and your family boost your well-being. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make some beautiful autumnal leaf bowls. To make your own beautiful autumn leaf bowl, you need to make sure that you have some of the following resources. You need to have some PVA glue, a brush. You need to make sure you have plenty of beautiful leaves that you can gather out on walks. And you need to make sure that you have a bowl, preferably a plastic bowl or a metal one. To make your bowl, you need to consider both the layout of your leaves on the inside as you are making and also on the outside. When you're going to glue up your leaves, make sure that you apply glue nice and thickly. PVA glue tends to dry clear, and so you don't have to worry at all about how it is going to look. In order to make sure that your leaves lie flat, you can end up with a little bit of a bump, which can be a bit of a problem. So if you take your scissors and snip a little bit in, lay the leaf down flat and fold it around on top of it, you get a much better fit to the shape of your bowl. But this will depend on the shape of your bowl. As you continue, note it's really important to have the glue on this side as well as on the leaf you are about to apply. And now we've made our way around the whole bowl with one layer of leaves, which are actually with their outer facing upwards and that beautiful side facing in. We're now going to turn that around, and we're going to be placing now the inside on top of the inside and having the beautiful leaves on the outside. So this is going to make the outside of our bowl. Consider the placing of these leaves. So perhaps they are going to sit in between the gaps of the first layer that you have already placed down. And in the same way, you are going to need to consider making it fit. So if you need to use the scissor technique again, where you cut in and smooth it down and round and on, then that's the way to go. Keep checking that they are all holding place. It's okay if they come loose a little at this stage. And continue with gluing and sticking. Make sure that you are gluing down thoroughly as you go. When we come to thinking about the base of our bowl and our final outer layer, it can also be useful to create shapes that fit the base. As you can see in our example, I've actually cut and placed leaves on and then cut any excess off the edges. So I can place my leaf on the end there. And as you can see, the ends there are sticking up over the edges, and I can just trim with my scissors to fit the shape. And lay that down on top. What this helps us do is also seal all of those little pieces that we've had to cut. You may want to be considering whether or not you have enough layers. It can take between 2 and 3 layers to make this bowl. As you can see, it's starting to form quite nicely now. You got our shape there. Finally, you're going to put on a nice layer of PVA around the outside to ensure your leaves stick cleanly. Don't be scared if there's a bit too much glue. You might even find yourself adding a bit more as it dries, as sometimes leaves can start to peel up. Now it's going to take a good few days for this to dry, so make sure that you leave it in a nice warm, dry place so that it has time to air out.
And there we have it, leaf bowls. Make it while those leaves are looking beautiful, and I hope you've had as much fun doing this as we have, and see you sometime soon. Bye!